Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic: how to log into your Venmo account without a phone number in 2025. If you've ever misplaced your phone or switched numbers, you know how frustrating it can be to access your money. But don't worry, Venmo has updated its security features to make this easier and more secure. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get back in quickly and safely. First things first, why might you need to do this? In 2025, Venmo prioritizes user privacy and flexibility, allowing alternatives to phone verification due to new regulations. The key is to use your email or other linked accounts. Start by opening the Venmo app or heading to the website on your computer. If you're already logged in on another device, that's your best bet. Just open the app there and verify it's you. Step 1. Go to the login page and click on Forgot Password or Login Assistance. This will prompt you to enter your email associated with your Venmo account. Make sure it's the one you used when you signed up. Once you do that, Venmo will send a verification link to your inbox. Check your spam folder if it doesn't show up right away. Step 2. After clicking the link, you'll be asked to set up or answer security questions. These could include things like your birth date or a memorable purchase. Take your time to answer correctly. It's all about proving it's really you. Step 3. If you have two-factor authentication set up with an authenticator app or email, use that instead. Venmo now supports these options more robustly in 2025, so enable them if you haven't already. Finally, once verified, you'll be logged in and can update your phone number if needed. A quick word of caution: always prioritize security. Avoid sharing personal info and consider enabling biometric logins like fingerprint or Face ID for future access. If you run into issues, Venmo's support team is just a chat away. There you have it. Logging into Venmo without your phone number is straightforward with these steps. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.